Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also fine and welcome you on Cine Speaks. I'm Adima Bajpayee. So,
Oh, thank you.
very firstly, congratulations for your upcoming You Got Shift. And सबसे पहले तो I want to tell you that I'm your big fan because I have no knowledge regarding share market or stock market, but it's because of you that I watched Scam 1992. It's only
Oh,
because of
thank
you that
you.
I watched Scam 1992. Yes, I was getting nothing, but your acting, your expressions, your dialogues pushing me to watch all the episodes. So,
Thank you. Thank you.
yeah. So very firstly, I want to ask you how you got chef happened to you. ये आप तक कैसे पहुंचा and why you decided to be the part of it.
I think so. I've got a mail from them that there is this show and we would like to have you on board. And this is the concept. For me, the biggest reason to say yes or to be a part of it is that I had never, tried my hands on cooking that way. And that too with so if I get to work and learn cooking and do something alongside the chef Ranveer Brar, then who would say no? So I immediately jumped on this opportunity and I said, I want to do it. I want to explore this world. Because all this while, my wife constantly kept complaining that you never cooked anything for me. So I said, let me just go and learn from the best and then come and cook something for you.
So how was your experience with Ranveer Brar and
Oh, it's a
how much
lovely
you enjoyed?
experience. Lovely experience. I enjoyed it too much. It was absolutely fulfilling. It changed my thought process towards cooking, the way I used to look at it. Because as somebody who never cooked, I was always a little scared about experimenting in the kitchen. I would not do anything without asking anybody, कि इसमें क्या डालना है, इसमें क्या करना है. And I guess that very reluctant to do anything new. But after doing the show, I guess I'm more comfortable in the kitchen now. I'm more open to experiment, to do something, and I've started enjoying cooking. I
So
started,
was this the
cooking is
first
more
time you
working
cooked?
like a therapy to me. Uh, First time, as in not actually the first time, but earlier, whenever I used to go, I was always a silent helper in the kitchen. Somebody's cooking and I'm just helping. This is for the first time that I did something on my own.
तो इससे पहले आपने कुछ कुक किया है कोई ऐसी डिश जो आपने इट कैन बी अ मैगी और इट कैन बी अ टी और कॉफी सो समथिंग व्हिच यू कुक्ड बिफोर दिस.
See, I tell you, I make tea, but my tea is absolutely inconsistent. Every day the taste changes, and I don't enjoy my tea myself.
I that one cooking hack you learned from Ranveer Brar है. One cooking hack मतलब ऐसी कोई trick जो आपने उनसे सीखी हो.
The most important and the most simple trick that he told me and that I learned is that it's not that difficult. Just go and explore. कुछ नहीं होगा. My biggest fear. I mean, I can tell you when earlier new computers have started coming in our lives, and I was in school when I started touching the computer for the first time, started learning. तब वो जो डर लगता था ना वैसा ही डर मुझे किचन में लगता था कि यार ये पता नहीं क्या हो जाए. But Ranveer, I guess, he helped me come out of that thought कि कुछ नहीं होता है, just explore, make.
आगे आप कुछ कुक करना चाहते हैं मतलब नाउ दैट यू आर टेलिंग कि आपकी वाइफ आपको फोर्स करती है टू कुक समथिंग और तुम कुछ बनाते नहीं हो सो आगे आप अब उनके लिए क्या बनाना चाहेंगे.
So my wife loves anything made of rice. So I think I want to experiment with veg biryani for her
Okay.
once. Yeah.
What's your favorite cuisine and why?
My favorite cuisine is because I'm Gujarati and all my life I had been eating homemade food, and that's my favorite food. That's my go-to food. So yeah, Gujarati full meal is my go-to food, and that's what I like the most.
So how much you enjoyed and हम आपको क्या बनाते हुए देखने वाले हैं एपिसोड में.
Okay, I have cooked a dish called savory pancakes with satay
Okay.
tofu, and that's the dish that I have made with Ranveer Brar. Now, this is the dish. So before I went to the show, we were discussing that which food, what let's experiment something. And I said that I had visited Singapore, and that's the place that I like the most. Singapore, the food there, their approach towards food and all is very interesting. And Singapore is also a place, where you get there are a lot of different people there. There is entire Tamilian set of people, those who are there and their
Yeah.
stalls, and you get amazing Tamil food, and that's what we have explored.
Any food which you like the most and can eat continuously, मतलब हर दिन आपको ये एक ऐसा food जो आप हर दिन खा सकते हो बिना बोर हुए?
रोटी सब्जी 365 दिन सुबह शाम खा सकता हूँ.
और कोई ऐसी चीज जो आज तक आपने टेस्ट ही नहीं करी हो, जो आपको बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद हो?
Not in the vegetable dish, because I'm a vegetarian, so vegetables तो ऐसे हैं कि all the vegetables that I've had, but a specific dish that I had never tried, I don't know. I don't know that if I have not tried something.
So, और कोई ऐसी डिश जो अगर आपको मतलब 4-5 दिन ना मिले then you will not like it, कि ऐसी चीज जो 4-5 दिन में एक बार चाहिए ही है, हफ्ते में एक बार चाहिए ही है?
भेल.
What?
भेल.
Okay, भेल.
Yeah, I love भेल, सेव पूरी and पानी पूरी. ये ऐसी चीज है कि हफ्ते में एक आध बार तो खाना ही चाहिए.
तो हम ऑन स्क्रीन तो आपको देखने ही वाले हैं रणवीर के साथ. ऑफ स्क्रीन कितनी मस्ती करी आपने उनके साथ बनाते वक्त? क्या क्या उन्होंने कुछ ऐसी अलग चीज आपको सिखाई हो, या फिर ऐसी कौन सी कन्वर्सेशंस थी जो बहुत मेमोरेबल है आपके लिए, आगे आप याद रखेंगे?
सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग मेमोरी तो ये थी that the moment my mom came to know that I'm going to be in the show with Ranveer Brar, she was the most excited. मतलब इतनी एक्साइटेड तो मॉम कभी नहीं हुई थी मेरे किसी भी प्ले के लिए, किसी भी शो के लिए, किसी भी फिल्म के लिए, जितना इस शो के लिए थी. बिकॉज शी इज आई गेस द बिगेस्ट फैन ऑफ रणवीर, और रणवीर ब्रार की सारी सारी रेसिपीज मेरे घर पे बन चुकी है. तो
So
एक
it
तो वो
was
था,
fun.
और जब मैंने रणवीर को ये बताया तब वहीं से हमने फोन करके मॉम से बात की थी.
Oh, great. So it was great fun. You enjoyed a lot while cooking.
Oh, it was too much fun. We had a lot of good time. We have great time, I guess, and I've learned a lot from him.
So any upcoming project in which we will see you except this?
Well, there are a couple of web series and Hindi films that I'll be doing in, I guess, next 2 years. So announcements will keep happening now, I guess, by this month end and all. So you'll come to know about the projects and the names and all.
ऐसा कोई रोल जो आप करना चाहते हो, या मतलब कोई प्ले कर चुका है and you wanted to be the part of it?
So there are a lot of such characters that I want to perform on screen. One of that is Pursuit of Happiness, the film, which is my favorite film, and that character is what I want to perform once, if given a chance.
I want to ask कि जब now that we are watching you in You Got Chef, it's really different from what we watched on Scam 1992. काफी difference है दोनों चीजों में. So I want to know, जब भी हम हर्षद मेहता का नाम लेते हैं, whenever we think of Harshad Mehta, then it's your image, not of Harshad Mehta, but it's your image. It's obvious कि अगर और आप जब किसी की बायोग्राफी को प्ले करते हो, then you have to learn a lot. तो क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा? फर्स्टली आई वांट टू आस्क कि हाउ डू यू फील कि लोग हर्षद मेहता के बारे में सोचते हैं तो आपकी इमेज आती है, तो हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट दिस?
As an actor, it's a very, very overwhelming feel. Well, when people say that now, you are Harshad Mehta for us, so it's a very, very overwhelming feel. At the same time, it strengthens my faith in the craft, that the way I was trying to create a character, it worked largely with the audience. So it gives me a lot of faith in my craft, and it gives me a lot of encouragement also, that now going forward, the way I was thinking was correct, so I can work on the same lines and create more characters that way. As far as creating such characters is concerned, so I had done a lot of biographical characters, a lot of such characters on stage also, and this is my first time for the big screen. So what I like the most about these characters is that, see, the journey around them, their story, people around them is known to the world. But what is not known to the world, or what is open for interpretation, is what must have gone inside his mind. And that is what I want to explore as an actor. And that's what we have done. So without trying to mimic him.
Exactly. बहुत सारी प्रिपरेशन भी रिक्वायर्ड होंगी, क्योंकि किसी के कैरेक्टर में घुसना एंड उसको दिखाना, लोगों को वैसे ही प्रेजेंट करना, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट जब आप किसी रियल पर्सनालिटी की इमेज लेके आते हो ऑन स्क्रीन, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो कोई ऐसी 2-3 चीजें जो आपको बहुत चैलेंजिंग लगी हो ड्यूरिंग स्कैम 1992?
सबसे चैलेंजिंग तो मतलब कुछ चीजें तो ऐसी थी कि यार आई नो वेयर आई लुक लाइक हिम, so creating that believability in the character was a challenge for us. Other part is that my even physically I am not, I did not have that much of weight on my body, and I had to fit in
Yeah.
that squarish frame, so I had to work on that also. And we had to create certain nuances which should be very subtle. I mean, we never wanted to make it caricaturish or highlight it or mimic him or something. So those things is what we were more careful, and these were challenging things for an actor.
तो ये डिश तो आपने बना ली रणवीर ब्रार के साथ, और कोई डिश जो आप उनके साथ बनाना चाहते हो, या यू विश लाइक कि एक बार और चांस मिले और मौका मिले तो मैं ये एक चीज और ट्राई करना चाहता हूँ?
मुझे उनके साथ वो पनीर की एक सब्जी बनानी है।
पनीर की सब्जी?
और पनीर की सब्जी और अमृतसरी कुलचे, ये उनके साथ एक बार बनाना है, तो मैं सीख लूंगा उनसे बराबर।
So, my last question to you is your experience and how much curious you were before going to the set कि आज मुझे रणवीर ब्रार के साथ खाना बनाना है और मैं ये बनाने वाला हूँ. How much curious, या फिर कुछ nervousness भी रही होगी because you are not into cooking. So I want to know how much curious you were.
I was very curious and I was very nervous at the same time. Curious because I was about to learn something from the chef himself, Ranveer Brar himself, and nervous because I thought यार अगर वो कुछ करने बोल देंगे और मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगा तो पता नहीं क्या होगा. So I just surrendered myself to him. I said, whatever you say, I'll do it. So you just guide me.
Great.
And I'm ready to, I'm ready to work, but you have to guide me.
Thank you so much for the interaction. It was great talking to you, and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.